Yes.
State would move to admit states 324.
No objection.
324 is admitted.
Did you, at autopsy, or was there at autopsy a sample of Laken Riley's DNA obtained during that procedure, during that process?
Yes, we obtained 2 bloodstain cards.
Did you also, at autopsy, have samples of Laken Riley's hair collected?
Yes.
How, and what's that process like?
Some of the scalp hair will be removed from the scalp, and when it's removed, you make sure that there's, the root comes along with it. So a collection of scalp hair from different areas of the scalp is collected.
Was her clothing also